In this video, we'll learn about color code of line wires. Color code of line wires are actually used for easy identification and distinction between the live wire, neutral wire and earth wire. We use insulation of different colors on these three wires. As per old system, insulation of live wire is red, neutral wire is black, and the earth wire has an insulation of green color. But as per new color code, insulation of live wire is brown and that of neutral wire is light blue and earth wire has a yellow color insulation. So this table gives the important facts about these three wires of a supply line. Wire, first of all, here is the wire, then voltage, then color of insulation, then its purpose. So live wire 220 volt, old code, red, new, brown, to carry current from main supply to an appliance. Then neutral wire 0 watt, black in color as per old, but light blue as per new code, actually provide the return path for current from appliance to main supply. Then we have wire earth, voltage 0 volt, old code green, new code yellow, to provide connection to earth so as to avoid the chance of heavy shock. Actually a safety device. Let us have a look on a schematic diagram of a household electric current. So here the first one is live wire. It is connected with our electric meter. Then there is a main switch and a main fuse. Then it is the distribution box, basically containing two main switches and fuses of each electric circuit. Then there the supply is being transferred to our bulbs, fans and to other rooms, whatever it is. Then we have a neutral wire. It is again connected with electric meter and then finally to along as per this live wire. Then finally the earth wire, which is a safety device. Here you are able to see this earthing deep inside the earth. Then this is our electric pole. So this is the actual diagram of a household electric circuit as shown in the figure. So a main switch of high current rating about 50 ampere or even more is connected to a live wire just before the electric meter. So this is basically just before the electric meter. This is our electricity board's fuse and this is our main switch and main fuse. So this fuse is basically called the electricity's board or electric company fuse, and only board or company persons are authorized to handle it. The rating of the fuse actually depends on the load sanctioned for a house. After the electricity board's fuse, the live and neutral wires are connected to an electric meter. So after this electricity board's fuse, our live and neutral wires are connected with this electric meter. Fine. So that is usually mounted on the outer wall of a house. After the electric meter, live and neutral wires are connected to a distribution box. In between, a main switch is connected as just we saw to both the wires and a main fuse is connected to live wire. From the distribution box, separate circuits are provided for different parts of our house. So all electrical appliances are connected in parallel, means they are getting same voltage and they are working independently, and separate on off switch may be provided with each appliance. So the switches are invariably provided in live wire only. Electric meter. The cables coming from an electric pole are first connected to an electric meter before electric power is supplied to our homes. We all know that in our homes electric meter is there. So this is the example of mechanical electric meter and this one is electronic electric meter. So it measures the electricity consumed by us. It is also known as the kilowatt hour meter. So what do we mean by this kilowatt hour? It is the standard unit of electrical energy. So a meter dial has a dial or screen. Here you are able to see that this is the dial or the screen in which you are able to see a number 1 2 3 4 5.6. Then at last you are able to see that this is kilowatt hour is written. So that's the unit of basically electricity. An electric meter has a dial or screen in which numbers keep on changing as the electricity is consumed by various appliances in our homes. So from an electric meter, the electricity then passes through the main fuse and the main switch. Then from the main switch, the electric current is carried to various rooms of our house through insulated copper wires, which are then connected to electrical appliances like bulbs, fans, tube lights, fridges, etc. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.